Our topic is prepare soup, sauces, and garnishes. The uses of garnishes, plate selection, variety of garnishes, preparation of garnishes, and safe food handling. Garnishes. Garnishes come in a variety of shapes and sizes, depending on the meal being served and the level of service required. A common yet effective garnish used in many restaurants is a sprig of parsley or other herbs on the side of a plate or a wedge of lemon to be served with a fish. There is no rule in cooking that says every meal must be garnished, but if a garnish is used, it should be fresh, colorful, edible, and should be suited to the meal. Tools, equipment, and utensils needed in preparing soup, sauces, and garnishes. Plate selection. The importance of the plate selection should not be underestimated. To achieve a well-presented dish, the plate must be in harmony with the food and the garnishes. Also, keep in mind that the plate must be appropriate for the type of food being served. Plate selection. The following are the list of common plate sizes and their uses. Number 1, butter plate. This is a small flat plate used for serving bread rolls and is placed to the left of the main plate on the table. This plate is around 13 to 15 cm in diameter. Number 2, entree plate. This is a typical medium-sized flat plate, slightly smaller than the main plate. This plate is 20 to 22 cm in diameter. Number 3, sweet or pasta plate. This is a medium-sized plate with curved edges to form a slight bowl shape. The curved edges help prevent dessert and pasta sauce from spilling. This plate is 20 to 22 cm in diameter. Number 4, fish plate. This is a large, flat oval plate. Its oval shape is particularly well suited to serving whole fish. This plate is 22 to 25 cm in diameter. Number 5, soup plate. This is a medium-sized plate with high edges to form a bowl. It is slightly smaller than the main plate. This plate is 20 to 22 cm in diameter. Number 6 is the main plate. This is a large flat plate used for the main course. This plate is 25 to 30 cm in diameter. The following are the varieties of garnishes: lemon wedges, spring parsley, croutons, fine chopped herbs, sprig of rosemary, sprig of basil, chiffonade of lettuce, julienne of seasonal vegetables, horseradish, papadums, different cut vegetables, steamed rice, ice cream or cream, salsa, French fries, and side salad. How to prepare good garnishes. Garnishes are interesting fashion trend. Sometimes the aim is vast, complex extravaganzas, and some are simpler or indeed non-existent. Here is how to prepare a simple range of good garnishes. Step 1. Consider first the impact you want to make. Thinking about what you can do and how to do it is the most important factor, and virtually anything edible can be a garnish. Number 2, consider the way it has an effect. Food is very sense-oriented, so see to it that your garnish will add visual impact, be it shape, color, visual texture such as shiny or dull, or finally its size. Flavor impact such as chopped herbs or ground spices, and scent impact such as orange or lemon zest, fragrant herbs, or garlic butter. Number 3, consider how the garnish will be eaten. The aim of the game is to get the garnish to both improve the meal but also be the part of the meal. Number 4, consider the flavor. If it does not taste good with the meal, there is a little point to it. If it adds to or complement the flavors, then you are going well. But incompatible flavors such as fried crispy garlic on a dessert or inedible garnishes, however, could destroy a perfectly cooked meal. Number 5, consider this option. Lemon, orange, or lime slices or half-slice wedges, segments, and zest. Even the juice can be used as an aromatic if dappled around the edge of the plate or used in dressing. Chop herbs such as parsley, basil, or oregano. Sprinkle a small amount of stronger herbs such as rosemary, sage, thyme, or lemongrass. Think about shapes. Fruits and vegetables can be cut into thin strips, slices, flowers, or other shapes, and some twists interesting, such as thin carrot shreds or slices of green spring onion leaf. When placed into iced water, chocolate melted in a thin layer and set, as well as pastry, fondant, and other moldable ingredients are easy to make shapes from. For making vegetable fans, avocados, strawberries, gherkins, mango, and cucumbers may be fanned easily. The simplest method for large items such as cucumber is to cut in half lengthwise, then make even cuts also lengthwise, not across the vegetable like normal sizes, almost to the end but leaving the product cool. Then, using a flat knife, press gently on the sliced product, applying pressure to an angle to fan out the slices. Gelatin products also makes a fine basis for garnish. By mixing a heated flavored liquid such as savory clear beef stock, herb infusion, or sweet syrups with ordinary gelatin. They can be clear, colored, or opaque, poured onto a plate and chilled on the fridge to look like a clear mirror-like lake, set in a mold or cut into cubes, diamonds, to look like jewels. Bread makes a wide variety of garnishes, cute, cut in diamonds or triangles, shredded, and these then fried or toasted in a low oven for color, flavor, and crispness. They can also be seasoned with cheese, spices, and over flavorings. Number 6, think about making layers of food. While you should aim to be conservative, layers can make a clever impact with no or minimal extra ingredients required. Number 7, experiment with tools such as peelers, zesters, melon bollers, apple core cutters, cookie cutters, and other tools you have at home. Number 8, take note of garnishes when you go out for a meal or read a food magazine and see if you can duplicate it for cooking for your friends or family. Number 9, consider going to a cooking class for more information. Safe food handling. It is important to notice whether food service staff are correctly handling plated dishes so that they are served correctly without spills, drips, or displaced food. If service staffs encounter problems with the plated food, they should return it immediately so that it can be reset or replaced. The chef may specify the angle at which the dish must be placed in front of the customer. For example, the chef might want the meal to be served with the meat at the front of the plate or at the left. It all depends on the presentation of the dish. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.